to be daring, baby. Dance the night away. I let my head down the fire one. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like.
Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I have a lot of different things we're going to be doing in today's video. We're going to be doing some deep cleaning. I'm sharing a home decor DIY with you guys, and I'm also going to be sharing a recipe for you guys that we've been eating a lot lately. So I hope you guys are ready, and we're just going to go ahead and dive right in.
Paper in the trash. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love?
So we're going to start the video off today with deep cleaning my bathroom. It definitely needed a good cleaning. So I'm going to go ahead and just remove everything off of my counters here so I can have a clear space to start cleaning and wiping everything down.
It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily.
So I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Jaws foaming bathroom cleaner. It is a more natural product, and I like to kind of mix my cleaning products where I don't have so much chemicals in the air. So some areas I do like to use harsher products, and then other areas I like to go ahead and just use something more natural and non-toxic, so I'm not just breathing that in every day that I clean. So I like to mix it up for that reason. And then I'm also using this window glass e-cloth. I really like it. It does an amazing job on all of my mirrors, making sure it doesn't have any smears or smudges left or fingerprints or anything.
Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Who said it'd be easy to be in love? Who said that the sun would always shine? I'm not sure you realize what you are giving up.
So since my bathtub was really dirty, I wanted to go in with the scrubbing bubbles. This product's really great for any soap scum and hard water spots. It also kills bacteria and viruses. So I'm going in with that today. And I was also kind of rushing this part of the video because I had a doctor's appointment in between my filming, like right at noon. So I needed to get as much done early on so I can start that DIY project. So I was just rushing through this deep clean, but I wanted to make sure I came in here and deep clean my bathroom because it needed it.
So you don't know what you're doing, and the walls are closing in. Just remember where we're going, and remember where we've been. We can breathe underwater. Nothing can hurt us anymore. And as long as we're together, it doesn't matter where we are. But I will give you oceans high.
So if you don't have a squeegee and you have a glass shower door, definitely invest in one. It's only a few bucks and it really just makes your glass door look so nice when you go ahead and remove all of that water instead of letting the water just dry on the glass. It looks much better. We also use it in between showers, or when we shower, we use it after we shower, and that helps keep it cleaner longer.
If you ever think it's pointless, I will remind you that it's not. And the world will dance around us. They wanna know what we've got. We can breathe underwater. Nothing can hurt us anymore. And as long as we're together, it doesn't matter where we are.
Thank you guys so much for all of your comments on my question about your dogs or your pets in my last video. It was so awesome to hear the different fur babies that you guys have and what you guys named your fur babies. It was just really fun getting to know you guys better. Okay, you guys, so today's DIY is this farmhouse style breadboard. I've been wanting to add more decor to my kitchen and haven't found any pieces that I loved, so I thought it would be fun to create something custom to my liking. I picked this plain breadboard up from Hobby Lobby, so I'm just gonna go ahead and stain it and add a cute phrase on it using my Cricut Maker. So I bought this stain in the color Special Walnut. I wanted to add more wood pieces to my decor in my house, so I thought it would be perfect. I'm going to show you how easy this was even for a new DIYer. So this is the first time that I am staining anything, and it was a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. I'm just using this little sponge that they sold at Lowe's and just wiping it on there. You don't have to worry about being perfect with it. You just wanna make sure that you are spreading an even coat over the wood.
Don't say we're drifting apart. I can't stand to see you with another. Oh, I know I once broke your heart, but I still love you like I do. Love you like I do. Oh, it breaks your heart. No text, no call.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and seal the stain on the wood, and I'm going to use my Cricut Maker to finish the project. I love using my Cricut Maker for DIYs and home organization. It's so versatile, it's easy to use, and they have the design space that makes it easier to customize different projects. I love using the vinyl decal. You can easily up-level any project. There is a lot of crafting intimidation around buying a smart cutting machine, and I was one of those people that didn't believe they had the skills to do these types of crafting projects, but with the help of the Cricut Maker, it made me feel confident and fall in love with creating my own home decor.
Run away.
If you've been wanting to customize your home organization or your home decor, then I highly suggest checking out Cricut's smart cutting machines. I will leave the links to my Cricut in the description down below. Thank you, Cricut, for being a returning sponsor. I truly enjoy creating these projects with the Cricut smart machines. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and get a little bit more deep cleaning done. And one of the things I've been wanting to do for a while now is clean out our trash can. You guys can see how gross and disgusting it is. Let me know in the comments, when is the last time you cleaned your garbage can? I'm gonna admit that it has been a long time for me, and you can definitely see it.
What if our love is alive? What if our hearts still beat in time? Don't you just wanna find out? Come on, let's take that climb. We can fall in love. We can fall in love. We can fall in love again, again. We can fall in love. We can fall in love. We can fall in love again, again. Maybe it's our destiny. Destiny. Maybe it's our destiny. Maybe it's our destiny. Destiny. Maybe it's our destiny. I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? 'Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and clean the filter of my dishwasher. I have never done this before, so I watched videos on how to do it. So I'm just taking out these couple of pieces here, and you can see the filter and how dirty and gross it was. It wasn't as bad as some that I've seen online, so I was surprised because I've never done this before. I do use some dishwasher glisten cleaning tablets to deep clean my dishwasher every couple of months, so that could be the reason why. But I am glad that I learned that you can clean the filter in there too. It was really easy. And I just use the hot soapy water method that I love to use because it's so simple, and we all have some dish soap or some Dawn or something around the house. So that's all I'm doing there, and just wiping it clean, and then I'm going to put it back.
You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things
now my blankets have finished washing and drying, so we're gonna go ahead and do a quick clean in my room.
Could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one left with things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I Standing on the porch in the night, thinking how we used to be way back in time. In time. Barefoot on the grass, open skies. I can feel it every time I close my eyes. My eyes, yeah. Can you remember when we were young and free? Like queens up on the thrones. Never surrender, we're having too much fun. Could feel it in my bones. I was never hanging on the beach, catch your tide. Those will always be the best days of my life.
Okay, you guys, we're going to be doing the famous feta baked pasta. This has been around for a very long time, but TikTok did blow it up. And you guys, I have been eating it and making it for my family the past few months, and it's just a super easy dinner. And after I film these clean with me videos, I want to make something easy. Sometimes I get takeout for the family, or sometimes I'll just do a simple recipe like this. You're basically just dumping everything in this dish and then baking it. I'll go ahead and have the recipe in the description box, the exact one that I use. So if you want to give it a try, it is really good and super simple to make. So for the first 30 minutes, you're going to go ahead and bake it at 400 degrees. And then after the 30 minutes, you're going to turn up your oven to 450 degrees and bake it for another 5 to 10 minutes or until the feta is brown. Okay, that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and sharing different things in one video. It was really fun to make. Let me know if you try this meal. I will have the recipe down below. Also, don't forget to check out Cricut. I will have their links down below, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.